Oh wow, look at that. Hey, thank you for tuning into my video. I make weekly art tutorials, paint-alongs and vlogs. I've just received new art supplies, and those of you who know me and who have seen my haul videos will know that I love art supplies almost as much as I love creating art. This is the VivivaColors in collaboration with Inktober this year. They are essentially watercolor paints in paper form, which is amazing if they work. So I was initially just going to do an unboxing video, but I just couldn't help myself, so I also decided to create a separate review video. FYI, I wasn't sponsored. I wish I could be. I did win this set in a giveaway though. This set is the Inktober edition, but I'm doing something different. So I haven't done Inktober before for reasons that I'll discuss later on in the video, but I love art challenges. I love doing art with other artists as well. So this October I'm going to be taking part in #PAINTSCAPE. That's basically like a do this in your style landscape challenge where you can use any medium you want, ink, watercolor, gouache, whatever it is. 15 prompts are provided over 30 days, and one thing that I particularly love is that pictures are also provided. If the prompts inspire something different in you and you want to do that, that's fine, but also if you want to take part in the do this in your style challenge, you have the pictures there for you and you can see all these different variations of those landscapes. So yeah, I'm going to be taking part in it, and I would absolutely love it if you took part in it too, and you let me know down below in the comments if you're joining in so that I can check out your art. So this pack has water pens, it has the VivivaColors, and then it also has 31 postcards. There are a number of different sets of VivivaColors, and the set that I have is the Inktober 2021 postcard special edition set. So if you don't know, Inktober is a month-long art challenge that was created by an artist called Jake Parker, and basically every October he releases this prompts list, and artists from all over the world get together to create art inspired by those prompts. So looking at the packaging, handmade with love in India. The postcards inside have been designed by artists all over the world. There are 31 postcards made from premium watercolor paper, and I also know that there is the VivivaColors inside. So let's open it and see. These are the colour sheets. Full disclosure, this is the bit that I was most excited by. Oh yay, the postcards. Oops. 1 and 2. Okay. 2 aqua pens, 31 postcards, and the colour sheets. So let's have a look at the colour sheets. As I struggle to open it, let me just take a moment to thank all my subscribers. I really appreciate you, and I love the community that we're building on here. And if you haven't subscribed, then please take a moment to do so and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. I handcrafted this for you. Oh, it has the name of the person who made it. That's sweet. There are 16 colours. So some instructions on how to use them. Oh wow, these are beautiful. So there's a little place here for you to swatch brick red. That's interesting because it looks completely black, but I will swatch it and then we'll see what colour it comes out as. Then this is the bit of paper just so that the colours don't go from one. Then dusk orange, autumn leaf. So basically guessing it's just showing, yeah, the colours that are included. So this is really a nice autumny colour, which I guess makes sense given when Inktober takes place. Ooh, this fire colour looks like gold. Don't know if you can see the shimmer. Then happy yellow. A bit intrigued by this because it looks like it has green. I'll see how it goes when I paint with it. Tree bark brown and earth brown. So it's a good thing that they put these at the bottom because again, these look black to me. But if you look at the bottom here, you can see what colours they actually will swatch as. And then light green and bottle green. Oh wow, look at that. Peacock blue that actually looks like rosé. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And then ink blue. Pastel colours, so pastel pink, pastel orange, pastel green, pastel blue. So this is almost like palette paper, I guess, where you can mix your colours, and because it sticks out on the side, you can just mix your colours there at any point. Here's a closer look at the swatches, and I'll go into more detail in my review video, but I thought that I would include in particular the peacock blue. As you can see, it looks purple but swatches blue. And now I'm going to be showing you a quick flip through of the postcard. So if you don't want to see, then look away and jump ahead. Here are some of the amazing pieces of art. As I'm not going to be reviewing them in my future video, I'll just kind of give you a bit of a review in this bit. And essentially, I have no flaws with the art. Absolutely stunning. Most of the ideas I have no idea how they even came up with despite the prompts. The only drawback I can think of is that the paper is quite thin, and I know it says it's watercolor paper, but I genuinely don't know how it would handle. Thing to mention, which is down to personal preference, is that it's closer to hot press paper. The art itself may not necessarily be to your taste. The only other thing, which again may be down to personal preference, is that the collection itself isn't very cohesive, other than the fact that it's black and white because it has been done by different artists using these random prompts. There's a bit of a typo, but I mean it's kind of cute. Maybe it's, don't know if it's intentional. A1 prompt is crystal, which is put on the side. Then it has both logos and the artist's work. And then on the back, it has information about the artist. So Marie is a Swedish artist who couldn't decide which she loves more, arts or cats. So she decided to draw lots and lots of cats. It's funny because after reading that, you would expect that the artwork would be cats, but it's not. Also has the artist's Instagram. So let me find some of the other artists so that we can know who they are. Feel free to pause if you want to know more about each individual artist. So Jake Parker is the best-selling illustrator who started Inktober in 2009 as a personal challenge. He is passionate about helping complete art beginners experience Inktober and enjoy the joy of art. And then, I mean, I feel like this is bonus because it's made with the same paper, and it also has an illustration on there. So here are the Inktober prompts. I've never actually done Inktober. I like the premise, I like the idea, I like the fact that it inspires creativity. I've just never done it, I think because I found it just too hard. So for example, with these prompts, I would never be able to come up with, or I don't think I would be able to come up with these things. Like, okay, if it's something that literally says raven, I could probably draw a raven, but if it tells me like to draw a knot, like would I just draw a knot? I don't know. Or a vessel, would I just draw a vase? So that's why I haven't tried doing them. Instead, what I did was challenge myself in a different way by doing the gouache challenge throughout October, which despite being fun was one of the hardest challenges I have done thus far, even harder than the 100-day challenge for me. I think this set is trying to kind of overcome that barrier of thinking that because you can't create something based on the prompts, you can't take part, by basically allowing artists to create the artwork for you and then you complement it by painting or colouring it in and still being a part of it. You basically get what you need to get started. Will I colour them in? Honestly, I don't think so. I think I'll just keep them as like a this is terrible. I'll just keep them as like a memento. I love the fact that they're black and white. I love the fact that they've been done by artists from all over the world, and I kind of want to leave them as they are, but I may change my mind, and if I do colour them in, then I'll let you know. Oddly enough, Jake Parker's illustrations aren't here, or at least I haven't seen them. Let me see at the back. Oh wait, there's another artist. Oh, there we go, Jake Parker. These are the paints, these are the brushes, and this is your paper if you like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found it useful and entertaining and that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it, and I'll see you next week. Bye. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much. You are my MVP. Whether it's the first time that you've done it or whether you've noticed the pattern from the other videos and thus you stick around, I really appreciate you. Let me know that you made it this far by telling me which of the prompts from Paintscape you're looking forward to most. Whether you're joining in to paint it or whether you're looking forward to me painting it. Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much and I'll see you next week. Bye.